In this video, I'm going to show you how to crop images in a circle shape using Photoshop and have a transparent background. So the first thing that you want to do is to launch whatever version of Photoshop that you use. I use an older version of Photoshop. It's Photoshop released back in 2014. So we're going to drag our image that we want to crop a circle out of onto our dashboard here. And this is me on a bike. And the first thing that you want to do is look over to the right here, and you will see your image appearing here, and you will see a lock symbol just to the right of that. You want to unlock this image. To do that, you double click or you click on that image and the lock goes away. Okay, the next step here, and these are preliminary steps. Your next step is to come over to your toolbar and you want to select the Ellipse tool, and you're going to find that over here. Now, when you get there, you might find some other shapes selected. We're going to expand that out and we're going to select the Ellipse tool. Okay, cool. Next, come up to the very top here and you'll see this right here. It may have shape there. Pull that down and make sure path is selected. That's what you want. Your next step now, if you want the circle effect, now you can have an oval, but we're going to achieve the circle effect. Now, if you want to get an oval, you don't have to use the shift key. We're going to use the shift key to give us a perfect circle. So we're going to hold down the shift key on the keyboard. Our ellipse tool is already selected. We're going to place our mouse over our image at some point here. I have mine up in the corner there. The shift key is depressed, and I'm going to depress the left mouse button and drag until I achieve a perfect circle over my image here, like so. Okay, this might pop up. You can disregard that. I just dismiss it. Okay, so you see that circle there. Your next step is to place your mouse right over that line there on that circle. Right click on the mouse and you're going to select Make Selection. This dialog window pops up. You can dismiss it and click OK. Alright, so we have this. Your next step is to come up to Select and select Inverse. And we get this effect. The next step is to go over to Edit and select Clear. Now my image is in a perfect circle. Next, go over to Select and then select Deselect. Okay. Now, your next step is to, let's go ahead and crop this to get rid of this extra baggage down here. So we're going to select our crop tool here. And let's go ahead and drag it up to where we have that. Then let's click your arrow here, then click Crop. And there we go. Now, to maintain that transparent background, what you want to do, you want to save this as a PNG file. If you save this as a JPEG file, for example, the background is going to be white. So to maintain the transparent background, we're going to save this as a PNG file. To do that, come over to File, select Save for Web. This dialog window pops up, and make sure PNG 24 or PNG 8. I like to save mine as PNG 24. Then click the Save button at the bottom of the screen. And I'm going to give this a name. And I'll save this one to my desktop. And that's it. That's all you have to do to crop images in a circle shape using Photoshop and have the transparent background. And again, if you want this to be an oval shape, for example, simply don't use the Shift key. I hope this video proves to be beneficial. Thank you for watching.